There goes 323-216 heading to Lichfield Trent Valley from Redditch. So hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from Btucker Videos, and today I am at Selly Oak, which is on the Cross City line, where the tracks are joined are also used for trains on the cross country route. Coming in here is a service from Lichfield Trent Valley to Longbridge, 323-203. So today here at Selly Oak we'll be seeing services from West Midlands Railway and cross country. We've seen two from West Midlands Railway already. So Selly Oak looks like a decent station. Hopefully the services are too. Anyway, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Selly Oak. Departing out is 323-203 with a service to Longbridge from Lichfield Trent Valley. Right, coming in now is a service to Lichfield City from wherever it is. (323-221) with the British Transport Police liveried middle carriage off to Lichfield City from whatever it was called again. Right, departing out now is 323 Supervisor with the British Transport Police livery heading for Lichfield City. Right, passing through now is a service to Birmingham New Street from Hereford. That's 175.11 and 175.02. If 175.11 and 175.02 heading for Birmingham New Street from Hereford. I think University being its only intermediate stop between here and New Street, and also is a service to Hereford from New Street, which is formed of 176.32 176.32 heading to Hereford from Birmingham New Street. Coming in now is the 1402 service to Four Oaks, originating from Redditch. (323-202) As you'd expect, we've seen a lot of the same 323s all day, which will just continue until we finish today. So yeah, let's catch this depart in a moment. Heading out now is 323-202 with a service to Four Oaks from Redditch. Next stop, University. which will be my final station of today.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 1352 West Midlands Railway service to Redditch, calling at Bourneville.
Right, coming in now is the delayed 1402 service to Longbridge from Lichfield City from the 323 to 07. Delayed by about 10 minutes due to an operational incident. The actual 1412 service is going to be a couple of minutes after this, which will be heading to Redditch. Right, heading out is 323 to 07 with the service to Longbridge. While also coming in, we have 323 to 03 with the service to Lichfield Trent Valley on the 1412 service from Longbridge. We'll see that depart out in a moment. Departing is 323 to 03. Right, coming in now is the 1412 service to Redditch, which I think is from Lichfield City, is it? No, this one's from Lichfield Trent Valley. The previous one was from Lichfield City. And this one is 323 220 again. All of them we've seen a few times already, but here it is. Departing out here is 323 220 on the slightly delayed 1412 service to Redditch, originating from Lichfield Trent Valley. Right, coming through now is a pass to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. Formed of 220024. That's heading to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. And also coming through is a service to Exeter St David's from Glasgow Central. Formed of 220021. Yeah, 220021 heading to Exeter St David's from Glasgow Central. 024 heading to Manchester Piccadilly, as we saw in the last clip. Right, coming in now, we've got a service
1423
to Lichfield City from Redditch.
Delayed by approximately 6 minutes.
This is to Lichfield City from Redditch, the 1422 service, which is formed of 323 212. Departing out here is 323 212 with the service to Lichfield City from Redditch. Departing Selly Oak, couple minutes late, couple minutes after its scheduled 1422 departure. Right, coming in now is once again another class 323. is on a service to Longbridge, which is from 4 Oaks. Four Oaks to Longbridge. We'll see it depart out shortly. Right, departing here is a delayed 1423 service to Longbridge from the 323 243, which originated from Four Oaks. Next station for that is Bourneville. Coming in now is 1432 service to Redditch, which is from the 323 211. I think this isn't this from Litchfield Trent. It's from Litchfield City. So we'll see it depart out shortly. Right, departing out now is 323 211 with a service to Redditch from Litchfield City. The 1432 departure. Right, coming in now is the delayed 1432 service to Four Oaks from Longbridge, which is 323 207. That's on the delayed 1432 service to Four Oaks, which we'll see depart out shortly. Right, passing through here is a service to Cardiff Central from Nottingham. (170, 111) on the front, and the rear unit I couldn't quite get because the 323 just got in the way. But it's another 2-carriage 170 on the rear. I can tell you that much. I think it's a -1 rather than a -5 or -6 or anything. I think it's a -1. So it might be 112 or 113 or something. But it's definitely 170, 111 on the front, and the rear one, it's definitely 2 carriages, but couldn't quite tell the number because 323 207 was in the way as it went to form a service to Four Oaks. Right, coming through now is a pass to Nottingham from Cardiff Central. Which again is formed of another class 170 Italian Express. It's 170, 103. Next stop for that would be University, which is the next station along, followed by Birmingham New Street, possibly Wilnecote, maybe not. I think it is Wilnecote, followed by Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent, Derby, Long Eaton, Beeston and the Nottingham. Right, coming in now is the 1442 service to Longbridge from Litchfield Trent Valley, which is formed of 323 213. And also coming in is the other 1442 service, this time to Litchfield Trent Valley, originating from Redditch. I'll get the number for that one as it departs out. Right, departing out is 323213, heading to Longbridge from Lichfield Trent Valley. And now departing out is the one to Lichfield Trent Valley, which is 323215, which originated from Redditch. Both are 14:42 scheduled departures. Next stop for the Lichfield bound service, University. Next one for the Longbridge bound service is Bourneville. Right, departing out now is the final train of this video, which is the delayed 14:52 service to Lichfield City from Longbridge, which is on to 323243. And as that one heads out, I'm going to end my Selly Oak video here. If you have liked what you've seen here at Selly Oak, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, because I'll get back to them as and when I can. Any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. Selly Oak has been a great station to film at. It looks reasonably modern as well, which is a bonus, at least compared to Bourneville and Kings Norton. And anyway, well, Kings Norton abandoned middle pair of platforms, but yeah, Selly Oak has been brilliant. My next station of today, and my next and final station of today, will be University. So please do check out my video from University when it is up in a couple of days. And anyway, here's 323209 with a service to Redditch from 4H, the other 14:52 service, auto delay. So here it is. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video from Selly Oak. See you all at University. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching, and cheerio.